Taga saan ka, kuya?
Manila.
Bakit ang cute?
Manila.
Hmm.
Ay, may ano din siya, condenser mic. Oh my
Hello,
God,
Manila.
ang cute. So cute naman. Ang ganda ng background, ah.
Ako lang talaga dito hindi marunong magkanta. Ay, kumanta, I mean.
Ano na lang po, Spencer. Thank you so much, Spencer. Thank you for coming.
Kantaan mo kami, kay Spencer.
Spencer! Back po ako. JP, hello! Thank you so much. Love you guys.
Gita, dear. Thank you so much, Maki. Guys, thank you so much, guys.
Let's go, everyone.
Let's go, guys.
JP, thank you for stopping.
Let's do this. Lapol dito. Wala.
Ka? Meron bang paninila?
Tao lang ako. Wala akong lahi.
Thank you.
Normal lang. Bye, Clark.
Nice to meet you po, Spencer.
Lapol dito, one more.
Hi, RA.
Thank you, dear. Thank you, Kuya Ma.
One rose, guys. One rose. Let's go. JFY! Thank you, RA. Grabe. Wow, so strong.
Audrey. Not me.
Oh, sila Paul yan. Mabait yung sila Paul.
Thank you so much, Lapol Gita, dear.
Kuya Fusion. Kuya Lebe, alam Kuya Fusion. Wow. Sana all.
Thank you, dear. God bless.
Ang galing. Lori. I think. Don't you need me like
Don't you need me like I need you now?
Thank you, Scripted.
Pangit ang boses ko.
Wow, lakas nila. Yes, Kuya Fusion.
Pasensyahan mo na.
Scripted.
Dahil namin.
So strong naman ito.
I really appreciated Lapol Gita, dear.
DJ Sunday.
Thank you, Scripted. Thank you sa pa. 2025. It's okay lang guys. It's okay.
Oy,
Let's go.
Mamaya magpalit tayo.
Thank you.
Sa akin si Rose. Magpalit mamaya.
Okay, sige.
Let's go guys. Kuya Fusion, are you done eating? Snacks or anything you eat? It's okay lang, Scripted.
Thank you so much, dear.
It's okay lang. Thank you po. Thank you for coming, guys.
Hit mo naman, Kuya Spencer. Oh my.
I want you, baby. Ice cream. Oh. I love ice cream.
Guys, thank you, guys.
Lagi naman
for
kasi
you
sila
na
ay.
pagkita din.
Kasi.
Palit mo.
Aha.
Sa akin si ano? Si
Okay, sige.
Rose. One round.
Confusion? What?
Umalis yung isa kanina.
Punta for what? Thank you! Thank you, Spencer!
Lagi ako minubog
Go.
ko, Kuya Kevin. Kaya nga, minubugbog nila ako.
Thank you, may MVP na po dita. May MVP.
Yee,
Guys,
thank
para may
you!
MVP, guys. Thank you, dear.
Yan, Kuya Kevin.
Thank you, Spencer!
Kuya Kevin, naiintindihan. Ay, naiintindihan.
Ay, ikaw talaga!
Guys, follow and share ng ating top gifter, guys. Ay, ng ating top spot. Follow ng ating top gifter, La Provita, guys. Thank you so much, guys.
Okay, I will go there, Confusion.
Umalis, nag-ano, iniwan kami. Hi, Box Butter! Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Guys, let's go, guys.
Thank you, dear La Provita, for talking, guys. Thank you so much, guys.
Guys, bonus mission, guys. Let's go, guys. Bonus mission, guys. We need to unlock. I need to, guys. Malalakas sila, guys. Ako mahinig.
I'll try to singing again.
Alam mo yan, 5 rows. Bakit 5 rows? Kailan lang.
Guys, 5 people, guys, oh.
Ay, party kami.
Thank you so much, dear. Guys, four more.
Pause the music.
Ay, party kami. Thank you so much for tapping the screen.
I'll try it again.
Guys, 4 more roses, guys.
4 more rows. Don't worry,
Blake 1, oh my God. Hindi namin na-reach. Thank you so much, dear La Provita. I'm very appreciated.
My first little I didn't met you. Till I was happy for someday. As the years won't do. No one to find you. But
Ay,
those cats
wala na kami. I'm single.
and it's cold. There's no way. Misalay ka naman. Mabibining may salaman.
May ano ako sa kanya. Ayaw ba trauma to him?
Ikaw ay di na sinisama sa iyong di naluluma. Binibining ko ginto hanggang kaluluwa.
Thank you so much, dear La Provita. Hello, Jaja.
Oh my love. Sa tingin mo ng oras may lumipas na. May patuloy na mararapoy sa ganda. As I kiss you.
Thank you so much, Kuya Jaja.
Oh my
Thank you all.
love.
Wala akong pakialam. Alam ko pero wala akong paki. I don't care. I have a free. I'm freedom now. I'm freedom.
Without chase of masterpiece. No matter what I want. Going like a miracle.
Thank you so much, dear.
Paano pagkahon ng araw magkikabilang buhay tao ikaw.
Thank you so much, dear La Provita.
Di naman ang binibining may sanang ka. I turn lyrics into a bouquet. Ikaw ay di na sinisama sa iyong di naluluma. Binibining ko ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Gotta keep you like a doctor. Oh, my love.
Thank you so much, La Provita, dear. I really appreciate it.
Ako'y sa ganda as I kiss you every single day. Oh, my love.
Lukos naman. Thank you. Thank you, dear Lapagita. I really,
Yeah, that was
so
nice.
much appreciated.
Inuuling araw ang mag-alala. Naramdaman mo ay nakamantya. The world will never take a ride after love.
Oh, thank
Grabe
you.
naman yan. Bye, guys. Lakas mo naman, unay. Wala tayong laban dyan. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Thank you so much, my
Bye, everybody.
Babay, ang lakas. Ayoko na ang lakas nyo.
Thank you so much, my MVP, MVP Lapagita, dear. Thank you.
Miss Cathy! Not me. Do you know?